Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset a Ring 4 video doorbell to factory default settings. So we've got our Ring 4 installed here, and in order to reset this, you're going to need a T15 Torx bit. So we've got the Ring tool here, but if you lost this tool, you need to go to the hardware store or find one on Amazon. We'll have a link below, and you need a T15 Torx bit, T-O-R-X. So in order to do this, what we're going to have to do is remove the cover, and then we're going to be able to access the reset button. So maybe you just moved into a home, or you're moving out of a home and you want to delete all the personal information, or you're giving your Ring 4 video doorbell away. You want to make sure that you factory reset it to factory default settings. So on the bottom here, we're just going to go ahead and remove this screw. So here's the screw that we need to remove. We just take our Torx bit, go ahead and insert it in there. Sometimes you got to get it aligned, and then we're going to go ahead and remove this, and then we'll be able to remove the cover. Now that we've got the screw removed, we're going to be able to slide the cover off. There we go. We've got our cover removed, and you can just see the inside of the cover right here. And now we've got access to the Ring video doorbell. All right, now we're ready to factory reset the Ring 4 video doorbell. You can see this little button here, and that's what we're going to hold down for 15 seconds until this starts flashing or talking to us and telling us that it's reset. Now, it's important to note that you will not be able to reset this unless it's powered up. So you can see that we've got power to it. This light ring is illuminated. You could also check on your app to make sure that it's powered up. So now, in order to reset the Ring 4 video doorbell, I'm going to press and hold this button for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. It's blinking now, so I can go ahead and let go. Now we just need to wait for it to complete the reset process.
Now in setup mode.
So you can see that we went from blinking to then it was a solid light to then it went to blinking again. And then it spoke to us and said, now in setup mode. When it tells you that it's in setup mode, that means that this is ready to be set back up on your phone or with your new account. So once you've got this spinning light ring like this, it means that the Ring 4 has been completely factory reset. None of your personal data is on there, and you're ready to go ahead and set it up on a new account or your existing account, and you can go ahead and do that on the Ring app using your phone. If you want to see how to set this up on your phone on the Ring app, go ahead and check out the description below. We've got another video that shows you how to install the Ring 4 video doorbell. You can just skip ahead and it will show you how to get it set up on your phone. So overall, the process took about 2 minutes from once I pressed down on this button to get it reset. So I held this down for about 15 seconds until it started flashing, and then I had to wait about 2 minutes to get to this point where the light ring is rotating and it spoke to me that it was in setup mode. So thank you for watching this video on how to factory reset your Ring Doorbell 4. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to support the channel and enjoy this type of content, or this was really helpful, please subscribe so we can continue making great videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.